Hello and welcome to the Kenneth Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition, we're looking at what to do after being injured in a train collision. Well, typically, if there's a collision, then everyone knows that there was something happened. If someone simply falls down on the train due to some other negligence, it's important that a report be made, that it be reported, take photos, get witness names, etc. But again, if there's injuries and a claim against the railroad company, there's different types of notice of claims that have to be filed within a certain number of months, not years, against governmental entities. So for some government entities, if it's not properly served within 90 days, then it makes it much, much more difficult. So modern trains also have this type of black box installed, and it's important that if there's a serious injury, that the black box be secured and reviewed by experts. Then the next thing is to look at what's the extent of the injuries. You want to make sure that there is contact with the entities that represent the train company by your attorneys, so that you can work out either a settlement or be prepared to go for litigation. There is also requirements that you serve medical records, medical bills on the train company, say whether it's NJ Transit, Amtrak, PATH, Conrail, etc. So if someone's injured as a result of any type of train accident, it is important that you retain an attorney, the attorney provide the proper notices, and that you seek the treatment and get the recovery that you deserve. For more information on train accidents and recovery, visit website njlaws.com, and for representation, contact Ken Vercammen's office in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.